Alright, how's it going, guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a database in SQL using Linux. So to start this tutorial off, if you don't already have MySQL installed on your computer, you can open up a terminal and type sudo apt get install MySQL tac server. Now, once you have MySQL successfully installed, the next command you can run is sudo service MySQL start. Now, once you run that command, you can then open MySQL by typing MySQL tac uroot tac p, and it will ask you to enter the password that you set up during your installation. Now, once you are in MySQL, you can then begin writing show databases and semicolon. And the reason we put semicolon is because when you're using SQL, you have to put a semicolon or else the command will not execute. So we're going to put show databases semicolon, and then it will show all my current databases. And I'm first going to show you how to remove a database or how to drop a database. So I'm going to delete my last video attempt. So to drop a database, what you do is type drop database and the database name, which is video_test. And then you want to type semicolon, and it will drop the database. So we are then going to create a database. So to create a database, you want to type create database and the database name. We're going to rename it to video_test and semicolon and press enter. So now if we type show databases semicolon, all the databases will show. Okay, so to add stuff to the database, we want to create a table, and to create a table you type create table, and then you want name the table, which we're going to name. Actually, we're going to name users. Create table users, and then you want to put a bracket. And then from here, you can begin to name the columns. Now, to start this off, I'm going to put an ID. And when you're putting down an ID, you type ID and then INT. And then you can put comma. And now I'm going to put name, and then I'm going to type var char and then 30. And basically what this means, or you got to put 30 in brackets. And basically what this means is 30 means the max amount of letters you're allowed to use when writing the name. So after you have this down, you can type comma, and then I'm going to put a, let's see, password, and then var char, and then I'll put 30 for, actually I'll put 50 for the password, and then comma, and then for the last column I'll put additional information. So additional_information, and then we'll put var char, I'll put 50. Okay, so once you've got this down for the last column, you want to put 2 brackets and then a semicolon, and you can press enter. Oh yes, I forgot. Before you run this command, you have to type use. Sorry about that. You have to type use in the database that you want to use. And we are using video_test. And then if you push the up arrow, it will save the command. You can press enter again. And as you can see, it worked. So to view the database, you can type, or to view the table, you can type show tables and then semicolon. And as you can see, they're tables. So if you want to start adding information to the tables, you can type insert and your table name, which is users, and then values, and then bracket. And now you can begin inputting the information that you set up. So we put an ID for the first one. So for the ID, we'll put 152 2125. And then we'll put a comma. And for the ID, you don't put quotations, but for everything else, you have to put quotations. So we're going to put comma, and then name, no spaces, quotation. We'll put, let's just say, John Abruzzi for the Prison Break fans. Oops, Abruzzi. And quotation, and then comma, quotation. And the next is a password. We'll put Fibonacci, and then a comma and a quotation. And additional information, we'll put wants to kill Fibonacci, and then quotation, and then bracket, semicolon, and enter. And it worked. So to view what you just made, you want to type select star, and then your table name, which is users, and semicolon at the end. Or sorry, you have to put select star from users, semicolon. And then as you can see, there's the ID 152125, name John Abruzzi, password Fibonacci, additional information wants to kill Fibonacci. Now, if you want to add more information, you just do the exact same thing, which is the, insert and table name, which is users, and then values and bracket, and you just fill everything out again. But for this next part, we have to add someone else, because for this next part, we need at least 2 people. So we're going to type this again, except we're going to change it up. So for the password, we will put, I don't know, we'll just put admin. And we'll put Michael Schofield. And then we'll put prison or something, I don't know. And then you just want to press enter. And then again, to view it, all you do is type select star and your table name. Oh yeah, sorry. From, and then your table name, and then semicolon. So for this next part in the video, I'm going to show you how to search for an ID or a name or a password or additional information. So to do that, you type select star from users, or whatever your table name is, and then where, and then whatever you want to search by. So I'll search by name, and then equals, and quotation, and I'll search for John Abruzzi, and here, and then semicolon, and type enter, and John Abruzzi will show up. So anyways, guys, if this video helped, please leave a like below and subscribe, and make sure to check out the rest of my channel, because I've been uploading a lot of videos, pretty good quality videos that are pretty cool. So anyways, see you next time. Bye.